Hi guys, it's Taya back with another video. Before we get started, a few of you guys have asked me about my hair color. If you haven't gotten a chance to check it out, I'm going to go ahead and link my DIY bleaching video above. Now that we've gotten that out the way, let's just go ahead and get started. As you guys can see, I'm going to be using the As I Am products. I've already put my leave-in in the shower, and then I'm going to be following up with the double buttercream. And then I'll be following that up with their curling jelly. You guys, I just realized this is my first voiceover of 2019. Happy New Year! So last year, or at the end of last year, I have been pretty much trying to perfect my wash and go for you guys. So now that I think I got the hang of it, I wanted to come on here and pretty much start a new series on my channel and just showing you guys the different types of products that you can use to achieve different kinds of wash and go. So different wash and go combos. Yeah, that's what we're gonna call it. So today I'm going to be using the As I Am, and as you guys can already see, I'll be using 3 of their products. I'm going to be using their leave-in today, I'm going to be using their buttercream, and then I'm going to be following it up with their curling jelly. I've already pretty much put in my leave-in conditioner in the shower, and I find that my products work best when I'm working on soaking wet hair. So just adding my leave-in conditioner in the shower works well for me. Like I said, I've been testing out, and I just find this to be the best method for me. Now, if you're having issues with doing your wash and goes, one thing I will say, or one tip, is that if you work on soaking wet hair or apply your leave-ins in the shower, it makes it much easier, I find, to detangle your hair, and that way you can really start off with a smooth base. And then once you get out the shower, you don't have so much work to do. Now, if you like, you can actually just do the whole wash and go in the shower, but for the purposes of this video, I just went on ahead and I'm showing you guys how I would apply it out the shower. So as you guys can see, I'm done putting on my buttercream, and this is how much of the product that I actually used. And yes, you guys, I'm super heavy-handed, so I did use quite a bit of product here. Now, I need you guys to pay attention, because I find that this is what gives me a super defined wash and go. I like to take my time and actually section my hair into smaller sections. As you guys can see, this is how much jelly I'm using. I'm just going to the root, and then I'm smoothing it all the way down. Now, with this particular product, I wasn't quite sure the consistency, so I had to keep going through it like just a couple of times just to find my rhythm with it. Later on, you guys will see, I actually just started using my dimming brush because I got tired, you guys. I couldn't do it. I was like, I don't know why this jelly, it just didn't feel like it was going to give me hold, and I've never used this product before, so I wasn't quite sure what to expect. But nonetheless, I just kept going with my same technique, because what I do realize is that when I use my dimming brush to smooth out my hair, and then I go back and then I just add the jelly last, it makes for kind of like a smoother, more defined wash and go. So it just depends on the look that you're going for. Here, I really wanted my wash and go to be defined, but the jelly wasn't giving me the hold that I needed. Another tip that I find that really helps me is that I keep a spray bottle handy, so whenever I feel like my hair isn't as wet, I just go ahead and spray in between my dimming brush and my gel. So when you use the dimming brush, this is what I was talking about earlier, you just want to go ahead and make sure you smooth your hair out. Once I'm done smoothing my hair out, you guys, I do not go back in with the dimming brush. If you do, then that's going to cause a lot of shrinkage. So that's what I was saying about using a dimming brush to help you define your hair, but not going back in after you've already put the gel in your roots and then you put the gel on your ends. You don't want to go back in with the dimming brush, otherwise you will cause excessive shrinkage. So that's just a tip that I found that's been helping me. Another way that you can get really defined curls if you are trying to avoid the shrinkage but you don't want to use your dimming brush is you can just shingle. So instead of using your dimming brush, you can just go right on ahead and put the gel in your roots. Make sure you get the gel in your ends, and then you can just go like one by one and shingle your curls.
They call me Galaxy, I'm the king of new dance. Chilling with my guy, they call him Showboy, the king of DMV. He's good in popping, he's good in mathematics, he's good in They wanna be inside them, he's on the way.
Most people shingle the top of their hair anyway, but as you guys can see, because I already used a dimming brush, my hair is pretty defined, so I just went on ahead and smoothed out my edges, and that's pretty much it, you guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and sit under the dryer. That completes this look, and I'll be back to show you guys the final results. These are the final results, and although it's not my favorite wash and go, however, I will say it is still cute. I can still rock it. Now, as you guys can probably see, there is quite a bit of flaking, and that might be my fault because I did use a ton of the jelly. Either way, I do like the fact that it's nice and fluffy and big. If you're looking for like day one wash and go that's gonna give you volume, you would definitely probably like this. As for me, like I said, it's cool. Not my favorite wash and go, but it is still really cute, and I like love this leave-in. I probably will forever and ever use this leave-in. I love it so much. So the leave-in is cool. I think the buttercream was good as well. Overall, my hair does feel moisturizing to the touch. I do think that the jelly is probably what definitely caused the flaking, but as far as my hair being nice and soft, nice and big, it is definitely giving me the volume. So if you are looking for volume over definition, I think with these products you get a little bit of both. So overall, I like them. I think 2 out of 3 isn't bad. And then of course I love their co-wash. So I still get 3 really great products out of the line. I'm probably gonna have to wash my hair in a few days though, I'm not gonna lie. Probably in like 2 days I'll go ahead and just wash it out. But for now, I'll go ahead and rock my little fluffy wash and go and keep it moving. That is pretty much the end of this video. I just wanted to come on here really quickly and share my thoughts with you guys, and I will talk to you guys in the next one. Stay blessed and glow on, girl.